all 9th class students. Today's topic is how to do rationalizing the denominator. So, as we know, denominator is not a rational number. 3 is a rational number. For rational number, what you are adding? You are adding an irrational number. For rational number, if you add irrational number, together becomes irrational number only. So what is 3 plus root 2 in the denominator of this fraction is irrational number. What he is asking, rationalize the denominator, means in answer you should get in denominator rational number. In question, in denominator we have irrational number. In answer what you have to get is, in denominator you have to get a rational number. For that what you have to do, being it is second order surd, its reciprocal or rationalizing factor will differ only in middle symbol. See, again I am saying to you, here it is second order surd, means the order of the surd is 2. For like, if the order is 2, then only for a plus root b, the rationalizing factor is a minus root b. For 3 plus root 2, the rationalizing factor is 3 minus root 2. Okay. With its RF, you should multiply and you should divide. What happens? This and this will be cancelled and this is remained. It is only question. I didn't change the question. I multiplied with some number, I divided with the same number. So, its value I didn't change. Now simplification. 1 into 3 minus root 2 becomes 3 minus root 2. Denominator a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. So 3 minus root 2 as it is, you can't simplify. 3 square. A square formula is a into a. 3 square. 3 into 3. How much? 9. 9 minus square square cancel 2. 3 minus root 2 by, from 9, if you subtract 2, you are getting 7. So, it is fraction, you got it in the answer. What is there in the denominator? 7. What is 7? Rational number. In question, 3 plus root 2 is irrational number. You done some steps. In answer, the denominator, what you done? You rationalized. Means you converted into a rational number. So, these are the important problems in 9th class. How to do rationalize the denominators. Now, one more problem I will explain to you. The problem is 3 root 5 minus root 7 divided by 3 root 3 plus root 2. See, these all are square roots only. Cube roots are different. For cube roots, the RF, it won't be differ only in the minus and plus. It is different. Cube roots, leave it out. It is not there in our syllabus. Only for square roots it is there. So, RF for the denominator, I said these two will be same, in middle symbol will be changed. So, as it is, write it. Its RF is 3 root 3 minus root 2 by 3 root 3 minus root 2. Multiplications are important. Now what you have to do is, you have to multiply numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So 3 root 5 is first term, 3 root 5 into this entire 3 root 3 minus root 2. What is second term with symbol? Minus root 7 into this entire 3 root 3 minus root 2. Now come to denominator. A plus b into a minus b. Formula directly. A square minus b square. Don't cancel this square and square root. This square also belongs to 3. So first multiply 3 root 5 into 3 root 3. 3 3s are 9. Root 5 into root 3. Root 15. These two if I multiply, I got 3 3s are 9, root 5 into root 3, root A into root B. Root of A into B is the formula. This formula if you remember you can write like this. Next come here, 3 root 5 into minus root 2, minus 3 root 5 into root 2, root 10. With this one, minus into plus minus 3 root 21. Next minus into minus plus root 7 into root 2, root 14 divided by, this square belongs to both sides, 3 square into root 3 square minus 2, square root cancel, 9 root 15, 3 root 10, 3 root 21, root 14 by 3 square is 9, 9 3s are 27 minus 2, 9 root 15, 3 root 10, 3 root 21 by 25 is the answer. In question, in denominator you have a rational number. In answer, in denominator you have a rational number. This problem is called rationalizing the denominator. So now what you have to do is multiplication, sir. So it is like a 3x minus y into again 3z minus you can write t. These problems, algebra they'll say, how to do multiplication, sir. See, it is not first chapter. This is basics. Algebra, it is a binomial, it is another binomial. One binomial into another binomial. How to do multiplications is important. Like these problems, 3x plus 2y into 2z minus 3p. Like these problems, if you know, this multiplication will be easy for you. So if you don't know this one, these problems can't be understood for you. So for this, what you have to do is you have to do practice. Practice makes maths perfect. Okay. So you have to practice it. One more problem, last problem. This problem is 3 plus root 3 plus root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 2 is equals to a plus b root 6. Find the values of a comma b. This problem is as similar as previous one. Don't fear for this one, whatever he has given. Take only this root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2. This leave it out. Now what you have to do is root 3 plus root 2 same, root 3 minus root 2 same. RF of this will be differs in the symbol I said. What is RF of root 3 minus root 2? Root 3 plus root 2. With this you have to multiply and divide. Now a plus b, a plus b. A plus b whole square. Root 3 plus root 2 whole square by a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. Square square root cancelled. A plus b whole square expansion. A plus b whole square expansion. A square plus 2ab plus b square. A means you have root 3. B means root 2. A square 2ab b square. It is 3 minus 2. Square square roots cancelled. It is 3. 2 root 6. Root a into root b. Root of a into b. 3 2 is 6. By 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 is number, 2 is number. See, 3 plus 2 root 6. 3 plus 2 5 root 6. We should not write this 2 like 3 plus 2x. What is 3 plus 2x? Can you write 5x? If you write like this, you will fail 10th class, 100%. 3 plus 2x, 3 is a number, 2x is variable. We can't add, okay? So, here I am adding this 3 and this 2, 5. This plus 2 root 6 is as it is. So, 5 plus 2 root 6 I got it. This compare with a plus b root 6. Plus plus is there, plus before a, plus before 5. If you compare these two, in place of a you have 5. Root 6 coefficient is b, root 6 coefficient is 2. So b is equal to how much you have? 2. A is equal to 5, b is equal to 2. So do remaining problems as homework. We'll meet you in next class.